10 of the best artificial intelligence. Number 10. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, developed by OpenAI, is currently the largest and most powerful language model, capable of generating coherent and natural language text in response to prompts. It has been used for various applications such as language translation, chatbots, and content generation. Number 9. IBM Watson. Watson is an AI system that uses natural language processing, machine learning, and other advanced technologies to understand complex questions and provide intelligent answers. It has been used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. Number 8. AlphaGo. Developed by Google's DeepMind, AlphaGo is a computer program capable of playing the board game Go at a superhuman level. It was the first AI program to beat a human world champion player. Number 7. Siri. Siri is Apple's virtual assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning to answer questions, set reminders, and perform tasks based on voice commands. Number 6. Alexa. Alexa is Amazon's virtual assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning to perform tasks, answer questions, and control smart home devices based on voice commands. Number 5. Tesla Autopilot. Tesla's autopilot system uses AI and machine learning to assist drivers with various tasks, including steering, accelerating, and braking. It is designed to enhance driver safety and reduce the likelihood of accidents. Number 4. Cortana. Cortana is Microsoft's virtual assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning to perform tasks, answer questions, and provide personalized recommendations. Number 3. Deep Blue. Developed by IBM, Deep Blue was a computer program that defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, marking a significant milestone in AI and machine learning. Number 2. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It is widely used for developing and training AI models in various applications, including image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language. Number 1. Cognitive Scale. Cognitive Scale is a company that provides AI-powered software solutions for businesses. Its software platform, called Cortex, uses AI and machine learning to automate and optimize business processes and workflows.